First of all, you have to open up your iPhone settings and then scroll down a little bit, and here you'll get wallpaper. Tap on it, and then here you'll get add new wallpaper. Tap on it, and then here you'll get featured photos and suggested photos. If you wanna add a photos from your mobile gallery, then tap on photos at the upper left corner, and then your mobile gallery will open. Now you have to select a photo for your lock screen. Now select a photo for your lock screen, and then tap on add at the upper right corner, and now tap on customize home screen, and then tap on photos, and now select a photo for your home screen, and then tap on done, and then again tap on done. And through this our work is done, and as you can see that it's my lock screen wallpaper and it's my home screen wallpaper. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.